Hello everyone. Today I will going to show you that how the website can be published with the help of Hostinger Horizon. So basically, I have made one changes in this website. Like this is one of the website which I have made for one of my client. That is Ojostour. In Ojostour, I just implemented all these tabs here. Okay, I will show you that how the actual website look like. Ojostour.com. If you can see here, the payment information is not accurately populating. So I just made these changes and I will show that how much time it will going to take to publish this content. For that, simply I will going to click uh, on publish and publish changes. So let's see. And after that, we will also going to see that how like it has like the changes has been populated on the website or not. So here you can see here that for these changes I made some uh, comment here because this is a very big website. So you can see here that I just uploaded few pictures and I just asked that replace icon with these. Very minimal effort I have given, and after that it has been done. Now the website is live. I will going to refresh this website again, and my website has been refreshed, and I will show you. You can see here that these contents are available now. So this is very simple. Right now, the AI is doing giving quite efficient informations, and they help us to do the development as efficient as you can see that. Thank you. Thank you for watching it.